Crossing in Lincoln with Joe and Andrew. Go now.
10:20.
Can I borrow your other phone for RTT?
No, because it rage quit.
Alright.
Well, 10:20. Wait for 10:23. 2 Tango 21. It's train to Newark to Rivensburg. To leave at 25. Normally never leaves till 27.
The next train to arrive at platform 3A will be the 10:23 into the town. Well, probably 10:25 and also
Who's that? Train's that.
And what?
10:25. Now platform speaker.
They probably actually do it. There probably actually is a place called Anne in Newark. God, this will focus. Will this focus?
There's a place called Bloody Air though, John. Scotland somewhere, there's a place called Air. A-I-R-A. Depends on what people take, depends on whether it's Northern or not. There's no point in sticking to Thornton though. Get a team sent out the other day to have a look at it. They said it was fine. They didn't see a fault. Active on they were there.
This year's.
There we go.
3. Just a 3.
None of that with 9-10.
153 321.
Oh yeah.
That's what's going down to 153 321 from Newark to Grimsby. And
Grimsby. Let's just do 45 seconds.
let go.
That's all you need. That's all you get it.
Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Right guys, here we are at Braford level crossing in Lincoln with Joe Thorpe. Finishes off then, there we go. Time now is 14:31 on Thursday the 19th of February 2015 and this is for our 14:33 2 Lima 68 business train service to Leicester. Here she comes. 156408. To Leicester, and up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video. Hi guys, so we are at Burton Level Crossing in Lincoln with Joe and Andrew. Yeah, but that was on for a bit longer than it usually is. Any bangs?
That's actually keeping up now. Right,
no bangs, what's one? That's my phone.
9:35 to number 58, East Midlands train.
9:55 to number 58, East Midlands train service from Lincoln to Leicester.
Pass 34.
My phone, will you? Thank you. Right, time now is 9:35 on Wednesday the 24th of December 2014. This is for... I'm on Burton's timetable now. This is for our 9:35 to number 58 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central Leicester.
We're 5 down from Lincoln, 2 from the junction.
The last time I came here was just before I went to Turkey. Look how stiff the barrier is. Look how stiff the cord is. No, not really. But the barrier is pretty good.
We're near young. Actually, why not run us through the old site information show? The station and that.
You can't even push that down. That's pretty stiff.
The 1800s. Yeah, is that
Let's take these new barriers.
206.
Which way is it coming from? That way. Lincoln Central and Leicester, yeah.
Time's gone quick.
This she is. One 564 at 14!
1564, 14 Leicester.
I thought it was 404 then. 1564, 14 to Leicester.
14 Leicester.
And up they go.
Thanks, guys. See you today.
Thanks guys, see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Doddington Road Level Crossing in Lincolnshire, in Lincoln with Joe Thorpe. Go now. Time is 10:06 on Wednesday the 3rd of September 2014, and this is for the 10:06 to Lima 61 East Midlands train service from Leicester to Lincoln Central. So they're coming from this way. There she is, we've got a 156 coming. Nice and quick. Not speed, nice and quick for the barriers to be down. 156 415 to Lincoln. Or to Leicester. 156 415 to Lincoln, I think. Yeah, Lincoln's that way. Up they go. Still said Leicester on it. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Collingham Station Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. There we go, now the time is 9:38 on Monday the 16th of February 2015. This is for our 9:39 Watchy Lima 38 East Midlands train service Lincoln Central to Leicester. Expect past 9:38. Here she is, we've got 156473! 156473 to Leicester, and up they go.
Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Thorpe on the Hill level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe. There we go, finally, I'm going to come over here for this one. Here it comes. Thank you! 156498! 156498 into Lincoln. And up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Eagle and Thorpe level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. Right, now the time is 15:38, Saturday the 8th of November 2014. This is for our 2 Lima 70, 1537 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central, Leicester. And we've got... We've got 158852 to Leicester. 158852 to Leicester, and up they go. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at South Skelling level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, now. Time is 14:56, and this is for... Oh, I've gone too far out. The 14:57 2 Tango 48 East Midlands train service from Grimsby Town to Newark Northgate. We've got 153 385 from Grimsby Town. 153 385 to Newark Northgate, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, you're at Collingham / Swinderby Road level crossing in Nottinghamshire. Hi guys, here we are at Collingham / Swinderby Road level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe and Shane and Andrew.
Oh God, scare me there, guys.
Any other people you've invited, Joe?
Couldn't you thought much gate?
Oh, that was disgusting.
No. There's a 153.
Again?
Right, cross is gone.
All set, cross is going off.
It's our 2 Tango 40 Newark Grimsby. Cross is down.
She's just going down. Yeah.
Go move your big face.
She's just finished. Yeah, the double three's back. 153 321 to...
No, it's not.
Oh no, it's not. 153 308 to Newark Northgate with a double. 153 308 to 153 374 to Newark Northgate, and up they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Cross Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. What's an old alarm sound? Looks like the crossing over there has E2S. I'll be visiting that in a little while. One 153 357 from Grimsby Town. 153 357 from Grimsby Town, and up they go. Thank you guys, I shall see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Collingham Station level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe.
one train.
One 58799 to Lincoln. 1587999 off to Lincoln, and up they go. Thank you guys, I shall see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Cottage Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. This is located in Collingham, but it's called Cottage Lane level crossing.
South Cole. Just wait for Adam. Just wait for the Lindsay.
Which is DBS.
It's 626 Romeo. Hello, Taffy. Nice to see you nice. Says Bruce. 66-1.
Oh, 66.
Oh!
It's like 66-1.
66 is another one. Well, I suppose it is EWS.
It is, I've seen it before.
Those are the ducks kept back there for us, though. Ducks kept right back there for us.
EWS tankers probably means EWS's own stock. Not DB Schenker.
I read the number if you want.
66, what are you?
66102!
66-102 to Lindsay.
And here comes the end of 66102 to Lindsay! And
66102 to Lindsay!
And up they go.
There it goes. Isn't it?
Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.
Right.
Hi guys, so we're on Langford.
Hi guys, so we're at Braford level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Shane. I think this is in Nottinghamshire. Oh, it's in Nottinghamshire. Oh, I think you said Nottinghamshire to Lincolnshire all my videos.
Right, we now just wait upon our...
Now the time is 15:09 on Saturday the 1st of November 2014. This is for 2 Tango 48. 15:02 East Midlands train service from Goodsby Town to Newark Northgate.
Yeah, Grimsby, Newark.
Here she is, we've got a 11153 coming.
Threes.
We've got
Today...
153 302 to 383 to Newark Northgate. And up they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Thorpe level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe, Shane and Andrew. Right, now the time is 15:52 on Saturday the 1st of November 2014. This is for 15:52 2 Lima 70 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central to Leicester. And here comes our other one, and twice we've got two coming. We're coming in for a double stay.
Also coming, which
We're in
is
for a double stay.
1553.
156-413. 156-413 to Leicester. And we're staying for our 2 Lima 73, 15:53 East Midlands train service from Leicester to Lincoln Central.
2 Lima 73 is Midlands train service from Leicester to Lincoln Central.
This is-
Another 156.
Yeah, I thought it was a 158 from back there.
Joy. Not. I didn't see that. What was the 156 and 11?
I think it was 470.
Oh, the Yorkshire.
156 470 to Lincoln.
470.
156 470 to Lincoln. And up they go.
Very good.
Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Newark Castle Station level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, now. The time now is 8:38 on Saturday, the 14th of February 2015. And this is for our 8:42, 2 Lima 57 East Midlands train service in Nottingham to Lincoln Central. and I haven't explained to you what's going on today. Today I am going with Paul Gilman and Paul Richardson and Adam Richardson to every level crossing in between Newark and Doncaster. So it's going to be a pretty big day again today. The lights are still vaguely dimmed when the other ones go out. I can't get it to notice it on camera. Here she is. 3-carriager. And leading we've got 153.321. (153.321) to 156.406 to Lincoln from Nottingham. And up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Staythorpe level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go. Now, time is 15:12. Wednesday the 3rd of September 2014, and this is for the heavily delayed 15:03 to Lima 68 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central to Leicester. Expected pass at 15:15. It was supposed to come past at 15:03. So we're back down now. The train was on its way. Here she comes. And after this video, I'm going back off to Rolleston to get back on the 15:48 to Lincoln Central. Depends if I get back in time. Here she is. We've got a 156 coming. 156, 4:15 to Leicester. 156, 4:15 to Leicester, and up they go. Thank you guys, I shall see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Bleasby station level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. Now this is for the slightly delayed 2 Lima 70 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central, 16:10, and the time now is 16:13, and she's stopping this time. This is the 16:10, slightly delayed 16:10, but the time now is 16:13. And I've got 2 more videos yet, a freighter and my train back to Lincoln. (158,847) to Leicester. 158,847 off to Leicester, and up they go. Thank you guys, I shall see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Thurgerton station level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. Now, time is 15:45, and on Wednesday the 13th of August 2014, and this is for Lima 73, 1612 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central to Leicester, 156,498 to Lincoln. 156,498 to Lincoln, and up they go. Thank you guys, I shall see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Lowdham station level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. Pretty quiet alarm. There we go. Now we're expecting the train to come from this way now, from this way coming this way, but I need to check RTT to see what.
If you can hear me, this is for our 2 Lima 63, 1040, East Midlands train service to Lincoln Central.
Thank you.
Please do Castle, Collingham, Swinderby, and Lincoln Central.
Good, that's a pretty quiet alarm, that is.
We flipping ain't nowhere.
Don't expect any footage from us, because Skype's being a little bit of a weirdo.
What you got to push the knob?
Push the knob.
Oh God.
This crossing's a mess.
So are you.
Well, 38 should be arriving any second.
It should just be pulling up the line.
Here she is, it's a 158.
I know, it's 8:58 this morning. Is it? 5%. Starting for the past few days. Past 4.
158,858 to Lincoln.
It's me.
158,858 off to Lincoln, and
They go.
up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Bulcote level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. Here we go now. Time is 15:33 on Saturday the 6th of September 2014, and this is for the 15:32 to 2 Lima 73 East Midlands train service from Leicester to Lincoln Central. And we've got 158-813 to Lincoln, 158-813 to Lincoln, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, we are at Burton Joyce station level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go. Now, the time is 14:37 on Saturday the 6th of September 2014, and this is for the 14:36 to Lima 71 East Midlands train service from Leicester to Lincoln Central. And we've got 158-856 to Lincoln. 158-856 to Lincoln, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Stoke Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, now this is for the heavily delayed 1719, well the time is 17:34, this is for the heavily delayed 1719 2 Lima 72 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central to Leicester.
Swinderby.
Tracks are vibrating. 158-813 to Leicester. 158-813 to Leicester, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, here we are at Carlton station level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. 2-second timer. There we go, now we're expecting the 2 Lima 65 11:23 East Midlands train service off to Leicester, but it's going straight through though. And this is video 2 on Friday the 8th of August 2014, video 2. Oh, here we go, we've got a 158 coming. It's coming from Leicester. 158-774 to Lincoln. 158-774 to Lincoln, and we've got another closure just about 1 minute's time after this one, unless we're staying. Up we go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.